We were so bored and kept thinking about the fun things that we can do at home. We got to paint the wall that we have wanted to do for a year. First, we spread a large piece of paper like a flyer on the floor and attached painter's tape to the area that it should not be on. Then we poured the paint in the tray and rolled the roller in it to spread the paint evenly. And we rolled it over the wall. My parents finished painting the walls for us. We painted with beige, brown, and green paints, as you can see. What do you think? I really liked it. When I looked at the unpainted walls that were just left white, I had a good idea. I still remember doing tape art, which was a fun activity using multicolored tapes. This time, let's decorate the wall using the painter's tape that we use for painting. I created the design that I wanted. This is a tape mural that I made. It's called the camping site. Since the painter's tape can easily peel off, it will be nice to make another design next time. Are you bored at home as well? Think about painting and decorating your home like we did.